Hello everyone, I'm Ruby from Ruby Art Studio. Welcome to my channel. Today we are about to learn how to draw a realistic nose. So we have the colors that is the range of nude colors until brown, and the gray color and the black color. We will start with a very basic shape of nose, whatever we think of, because in this method of drawing we would like to fix all the problems with the shadow. And the best thing about nose is that we don't have any specific border in nose, and it is the art to show all the upside and downside of the nose just with different colored pencils, darker or brighter. And as always, we start with the brightest color, and we will put the base as much as we are satisfied with. I'm using a Faber-Castell Polychrome 137. This is the nude color, and I'm using this color as the base. Basically, nose is the continuation of the eyebrow line. This is why in this video I will also show how to do the eyebrow. And when you're looking at the nose from the front view, there are spots that are very much bright, so no colors will go on them, and those are the parts that are like located in the highest positions. And always the holes in the nose are with the darkest color. So there is a simple rule: the darker the color, the down, like the less height has the image. So the nose in the hole become the darkest, and the tip of the nose will be the brightest. If you needed to kind of sharpen your pencils with the sandpaper, try to put a paper under your hand, because you don't want the color to be on your drawing and kind of makes your paper dirty. And a little bit darker color to go further with the shadow. And we don't want to just draw a nose or the eyebrow. We always color a little bit further than them, because we would like then the nose and eyebrow to look 3D on our 2D paper. The side of the nose also falls in the category of darker colors. So little by little, even after this color, we will use more dark colors. And you don't have to be worried about creating some unwanted color somewhere, because we always fix things with shadow. And if by any chance you have unwanted colors in some particular spot, you can always remove them with the paste eraser very easily. Just try to make sure that you're not putting color on the brightest spot, like tip of the nose, and also this line that now is clear. And as you see here, I'm just removing the unwanted colors with the paste remover, and it easily goes away. If you're having your reference photo to draw, try to look at it several times, because based on from which side the light is coming, your reference can change. Basically, the rule of which part is being seen more shiny and more bright will change. So it's really needed for you to look at the reference photo. The tip of the eyebrow fits in the color that is a bit darker, because it's the line that connects the eyebrow from the nose. And based on what nose I wanted to draw, I put that darker. But of course, it depends on the fact that which reference photo you're using. And when you're picking your reference photo, try to pick an actual picture, not a picture of a drawing, because always the drawing is a little bit lower quality than the actual real picture. So if you pick a drawing, then you will have your final drawing a little bit lower quality than a drawing. So you want to be much more closer to very real photo rather than a drawing. Try to get the smooth look that you want to have in your drawing, and as long as you're not satisfied with it, keep putting layers and keep filling the white dots in between the paper fibers. And try to make the tip of your paste eraser very sharp to just pick the pigments that you don't want, not everything. And same as always, starting with the brightest color and little by little going to darker and darker, because when you're using the darker color you don't need to put them everywhere. There are just some particular spots that you will apply the darker color and we're happy there. The skin under eyebrow is exactly also the same color that you have in your chin or on your cheek. So we have to put those color also like kind of behind and before putting the eyebrow hairs. Otherwise it will look that you have white under them. And the way I put the eyebrows is just normally with putting like very sharp, like small short hairs and just moving to the sides. And I do it, depends on the reference photo of course, but with first brown color, then dark gray, and then black. And then at the end you try to fix all the parts that you were not happy with, and you continue as long as it suits your taste. I hope that you have enjoyed the video, and I would like to answer your questions and hear your comments. See you next week.